English Grade 3 Lesson 13. Read and learn. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Catch the ball. Catch the ball. Kick the ball. Kick the ball. Bounce the ball. Bounce the ball. Pass the ball. Pass the ball. Write the missing letters. Write the missing letters. Answers: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Check the time and greet the people. Check the time and greet the people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Answers: count the balls and write in words. Count the balls and write in words. Answers: 2 blue balls, 3 red balls, 2 blue balls and 3 red balls makes 5 balls. There are 5 balls. Answers: 4 yellow balloons, 5 green balloons, 4 yellow balloons and 5 green balloons make 9 balloons. There are 9 balloons. Count the toys and write the number in words. Count the toys and write the number in words. Ravi has toys. Pradeep has toys. Answers: Ravi has 12 toys. Pradeep has 20 toys. Answers. Read, draw and color. 11 red ovals. 12 blue circles. 13 green squares. 15 purple rectangles. 15 purple rectangles. Answers: